Hello student. See, today we will learn about the structure of chromosome and DNA. So before we learn the structure of chromosome, let me tell you what is chromosome. Chromosome is the condensed and coiled chromatin fiber. Now where is this chromatin fiber is related? The chromatin fiber is present within the nucleus. That is, of all the living cells, the nucleus, there are nucleolus, nucleoplasm, and this is the chromatin fiber embedded within the nucleoplasm. At the time of cell division, the chromatin fiber condense and they have coiled and they form the chromosome like this. Now, within the chromosome, the DNA is one of the discrete unit. What is discrete unit? The unit which carry the gene actually. DNA is the part of the chromosome which is mainly responsible for the gene generation after generation. Now, today mainly we will learn about the parts, basic structure of DNA. So, within the chromatin fiber, there are 40% DNA and 60% histone proteins. DNA full form is deoxyribonucleic acid. Now this is the basic structure of DNA. The DNA is basically the helical structure or spiral structure of two strands. Two strands is ribbon like two brand that is spirally zigzag way. In this way the DNA is made up of. Now each and every strand there is a repeated nucleotide, one of the chemical, which is made up of three components. They are phosphate, sugar, pentose and base. So in this phosphate, sugar and pentose and base, the sugar is actually the what is pentose? Pentose, there is a 5 hand of sugar. You can see this is the basic structure of nucleotide and there are 5 hand of sugar. The outer hand of the sugar, the chemical phosphate attached, and the inner hand of the sugar, the inwardly the base is attached. And this base is also attaching the another strand of DNA. So like this way the sugar is arranged lengthwise and it is arranged like this way. The outer side the phosphate is attached like this and inner side is the bases. Now what is this bases? These bases are, this is the nitrogenous bases. There are 4 type of bases. They are thymine, or initial capital T, thymine, adenine, initial capital A, adenine, guanine, 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 initial capital G, and cytosine, Cytosine, initial capital C. These are the 4 type of nitrogenous bases. What are they? Thymine, thymine T, adenine A, guanine G and cytosine C. Now this thymine, guanine, adenine and cytosine, they are totally form the nucleus bases. And the nucleus, in the nucleus bases, the thymine is attached with adenine with 2 hydrogen bond, thymine and adenine, and here guanine and cytosine is attached with together with the 3 nitrogen bond like this. Thymine, adenine and thymine like this. Adenine attached with the 2 hydrogen bond with T, and guanine attached with the 3 hydrogen bond with the cytosine. This nitrogen base actually made the ladder like structure. This is called ladder. Yes, you know ladder. And these are the rungs of the ladder. These are the rungs of the ladder. So with this nitrogenous base, the helical, inside the helical structure of DNA, the one ladder like form is created, and within, and the rung is the mainly the nitrogenous base. See, within this helical structure, this rung, guanine is attached with the cytosine with 3 hydrogen bond, 1, 2, 3, and thymine attached with the adenine with 2 nitrogen bond. Again the adenine and thymine is attached with the 2 nitrogen bond, and guanine and cytosine attached with the 3 nitrogen bond. In this way, random randomly the guanine attached with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bond and adenine with thiamine with 2 hydrogen bond and make the rung of the ladder. So this is the basic structure. This is the helical structure of DNA, which is the discrete unit within the chromosome which carry the gene, as I told you. This is the basic structure of nucleotide, and this is the parallel strand of part of a DNA which is made up of phosphate, outer side of the pentose, that is sugar, and inner there is a base, and this base is a nitrogenous base. This nitrogenous base attached the two parallel strand together inwardly. The nitrogenous base is made up of thiamine, adenine, guanine and cytosine, that is T, A, G and C, which are thiamine attached with adenine and thiamine with 2 hydrogen bond, and guanine and cytosine attached together with 3 hydrogen bond, and they make the ladder like structure within the helical structure of DNA. And also they are the rung, we can say the nitrogenous base form the rungs of the ladder, that is the rungs of the ladder. So this is the basic structure of DNA. The next class which consists 40% of the chromatin fibers which contains and form chromosome. Next class we will